Hello everyone, this is Rudra Surgicals from Mumbai, India. Today we are going to show TRP click line resectoscopy inner outer sheath. This is click line resectoscopy inner outer sheath, 26 FR 4 mm and 22 FR 2.9 mm. Made by stainless steel material with matte finish. These click line sheets are reusable and autoclavable. The TRP click line resectoscopy is a specialized medical instrument used in post-op surgeries. The inner outer sheath of the resectoscope plays an important role for safety. For more details, contact us. Thank you.